According to the province of New Brunswick, approximately 400 motorists are involved in a moose vehicle collision each year. At Volvo, we aim to lessen and reduce the most amount of those accidents as we can. In order to do that, we offer our large animal detection avoidance systems in our Volvos. Imagine you're driving late at night. You can't see anything on the side of the road, but your Volvo can. Part of the full safety suite that works both day and night with our Volvos includes our infrared sensing cameras and our low light visibility cameras, which give you a thermal image of the animal prior to even seeing it come up onto the road. Through audio and visual warnings, your Volvo will promptly let you know if there's a collision that's imminent, so that way you can either brake or steer out of the way and be able to make a swift and decisive action. But let's say you're tired and you don't hear or see the warnings that your Volvo is giving you. In those instances, your Volvo's automatic braking will kick in to ensure that you make a safe stop. Taking into account the speed, direction, and location of an animal, the Volvos are built to assess information in a critical time to enable you to have a safe decision that is made. So why not drive more safely and more securely in gorgeous Scandinavian design? Drive a Volvo, where your safety doesn't get put in the back seat, but is the reason that pushes us forward down the road.